This will change how you think about logistics security. A purpose-built surveillance solution is here to safeguard your operations, from storage zones to loading docks and entry points. Let's dive into this game-changing innovation. Every detail in logistics matters. ACTi's 20MP multi-imager camera delivers 360-degree panoramic coverage, capturing every inch of your storage zones, loading docks, and entry points. Each of the 45MP channels is independently adjustable for pan, tilt, and zoom, enabling precise monitoring of even the busiest areas. Plus, with only one IP supporting all channels, you save significantly on wiring costs while maximizing efficiency. Night shifts and low-light environments are no longer challenges. With 9 infrared LEDs providing up to 50 meters of night vision, this camera ensures crystal clear, full-color images, even at 0.002 lux. From outdoor loading zones to vehicle access areas, your operations stay secure 24/7, regardless of lighting conditions. Logistics security just got smarter. ACTi's built-in AI detects vehicles, personnel, and objects, identifying unauthorized movements such as line crossing, area intrusion, and more. Detailed reports and sound detection features help managers make quick, informed decisions. With reduced false alarms, your operations remain smooth and secure. When a threat arises, the active deterrence feature takes action. AI-triggered events can activate external strobe lights to warn intruders instantly. The camera even powers the strobe light directly with its built-in DC-12 supply. This robust functionality helps you deter threats before they escalate. Harsh environments are no match for ACTi's rugged design. With IP67 and IK10 ratings, this camera withstands dust, moisture, and impact. It also supports audio input-output and dual DI/DO for seamless integration with your logistics processes. From dusty warehouses to outdoor storage areas, you can count on reliable performance. Protect your logistics operations like never before. Visit our website now to explore how ACTi can help you secure storage zones, loading docks, and beyond. Don't wait, take control of your security today.